Welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Namaskar, I am Dipti Vadukul from Genius English Medium School, Rajkot. Today I am going to say about essay writing. Few tips for essay writing. Now the first question is, what is an essay? So I could say essay is derived from the Latin word exegeum, which roughly translates presenting one's self, one's idea, thoughts. So you can say it could be the short piece of representing one's argument, experience, stories, etc. Now there are four types of essays. This generally we described into four types. Number one is narrative types of essay, narrative essays. Now what is that? You can say it's always in the first person, the narration. It means the writer is narrating the incident which might have been occurred in the past, and I must say the writer has to see that he was very much present when the incident was going on or it happened. Second is descriptive type of essay. This is very common and very interesting as well. So descriptive type of essays are like description of a place, an object, an event, and this is now very important. It should be the paint picture of whatever you are describing. It should be with the emotions. It shouldn't be like just the words and the sentences and such things. But a writer has to give such ideas or such things or he has to use such words that the reader should feel the touch, the emotions, and even the smell of the flowers of such description. So descriptive essays are very much common, very much interesting. Then third is expository essays. Now this is almost, you can say, opposite to descriptive essays. Expository are like balancing of study of a topic. It has to be based on facts, arguments, statistics, examples. So with the proof, you have to write such essays. Like you have to be very much true to it. There is no space for emotions or emotional words here. Then fourth type of essay is persuasive essays. Now this type of essay has the purpose to get the reader's side argument. So whatever the writer is writing, reader should have the idea to opposite it. But the writer has to be very much clear that the end of the essay, this type of essay, his argument, the writer's argument should be stronger. It has to be more weightage. Okay, so these are four types of essays. Now let us see the format of the essay. Generally, we are aware of the format, the introduction, the main part, and the conclusion. Yes, very true. Now, what is there for introduction? Now, one thing I must say, the introduction shouldn't be too long. It should not take out the interest of the reader. So, introduction should be very brief but very interesting so that the reader should go in the depth of your essay. So it should be like one paragraph of the introduction and then the main part of the essay. There you have the fully scope to put your ideas. But be careful, here your idea should be in an arrangement order. If you are writing a descriptive essay, then, or say a narrative essay, then you have to see the sequence of the incident which had been occurred at that time. So that you have to be very much careful in the main body. It could be 2-3 paragraphs and then conclusion. Now conclusion is like summary of the entire thing, or even one more thing, that conclusion should be the mirror of introduction. So whatever you have introduced, you should be concluding. Now see the thing, your main body should be the sandwich between two breads. So a sandwich cannot be completed without any of this. So the essay should be with good introduction, with good body, and with good conclusion. Now with this, there are few tips to write the essays. if it is possible, start your essay with a proverb or a good quotation by some famous personality, or sometimes with a good question, so the reader to get the interest into your reading. So that is more important. If possible, try to put a rough draft before writing the essay so you can put your essay in a perfect way. These are few tips and hope this will help you out in your essay writing. Thank you.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.